If you're seeing an ElevenLabs API error 402, that usually means you've run into a billing or character limit issue. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to generating speech without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's understand the most common reason for this error. A 402 error is usually connected to your account balance, your subscription tier, or your usage limits. So the very first thing you should do is check your remaining character balance inside the ElevenLabs dashboard. To do that, log into your ElevenLabs account and go straight to the dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for your usage or billing section. This is where ElevenLabs shows how many characters you have left for the current billing period. If your balance is low or completely used up, that is very likely why the API is returning a 402 error. Now, if you see that your character balance is exhausted, the next step is to upgrade your subscription tier. This is especially important if you're on a lower plan and you're generating a lot of audio through the API. Go to your account settings, then open the billing or subscription area. From there, review the available plans and choose a higher tier that gives you more characters or more generous usage limits. After upgrading, wait for the plan changes to apply, then test your API request again. If you are already on a paid plan, there is another important setting that can solve this problem automatically. You should enable usage-based billing, also known as pay-as-you-go. This option is designed to help when you reach your included character limit. Instead of the API stopping with an error, ElevenLabs can automatically charge top-up credits when you hit your limit, which keeps your workflow running smoothly. To turn this on, go back into your account settings and find the billing options. Look for the usage-based billing or pay-as-you-go setting and enable it. Make sure you confirm any prompts or payment details required to activate it. Once this is turned on, your account can automatically purchase extra credits as needed, which helps prevent future 402 errors during active use. After making these changes, return to your application, retry the API request, and check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, double-check that your account upgrade has fully processed and that billing is active on the correct workspace or account you're using for the API. So to quickly recap, first, check your character balance in the ElevenLabs dashboard. Second, upgrade your subscription tier if you're running low on limits. And third, if you're on a paid plan, enable pay-as-you-go so your account can automatically buy top-up credits when you reach your limit. If this video helped you fix the ElevenLabs API error 402, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.